Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock player 1 clue and get the reward in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. And this is the mystery signings and it contains a 70 OVR player. Let's get started. By tap the play, tap the live events, and this one mystery signings. So welcome to mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mysterious player for rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone reward. So let's try the first one. This is the player one clue. So there are possible reward waiting for you. For example, you can get this Marcus Rashford, the left winger from Manchester United with OVR 88. He is part of UCL Group Stage Live player. So this guy is possible reward for you and many more. But if you're not got this possible reward, there will be a guarantee reward mixed version player. Contains 70 plus OVR base, UCL, UEL, and or UECL player. Let's tap this one, free. Tap and tap to open this one. I forgot. I don't know this guy. Lolly. He is. I don't understand. I got this guy. So maybe you're lucky than me. You can try this. Unlock the player one clue for a mystery signings event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.